Hey there, food lovers! Ever crave that lip-smacking, fall-off-the-bone goodness of perfectly cooked ribs? I'm talking about ribs so tender, so juicy, they make you want to slap your mama. Well, get ready to fire up those ovens because today, I'm sharing my secret recipe for oven-baked ribs that'll have your family and friends begging for more. We're gonna break it down step by step, ensuring your rib journey is a delicious success story. So grab your apron, put on your chef's hat, or not, no judgment here, and let's get this rib party started. Before we embark on this flavor-packed adventure, let's gather our trusty sidekicks, the ingredients. Here's what you'll need to transform ordinary ribs into a culinary masterpiece. 2 racks of pork ribs, about 4 pounds total. A 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, a 1/4 cup of paprika, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, optional for that extra kick, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 cup of your favorite BBQ sauce. Got everything? Brilliant! Now let's get down to business. All right, rib enthusiasts. It's time to give our ribs some love and attention before they hit the heat. First things first, give those ribs a good rinse under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. Next, we gotta tackle the silver skin, that thin white membrane on the back of the ribs. It can make the ribs tough and nobody wants that. To remove it, slide a butter knife under the membrane at one end of the rack. Then grab it with a paper towel and pull it off. Easy peasy. Now slather those ribs with a thin layer of yellow mustard. This acts as a binder for our dry rub, ensuring maximum flavor in every bite. Section 4, Rub-a-dub-dub, the magic dry rub. This, my friends, is where the real flavor magic happens. In a bowl, combine the paprika, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, if using, salt and black pepper. Mix it all up, then sprinkle this magical blend generously over both sides of the ribs, making sure to massage it into every nook and cranny. We want those ribs coated in a flavor-packed hug. Section 5, Low and Slow. Baking to tender perfection. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Now, place the ribs in a roasting pan, meat side down, and cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil. This creates a steamy sauna for the ribs, ensuring they stay moist and tender. Slide those babies into the oven and let them bake for 2.5 to 3 hours. This slow cooking process allows the collagen and fat within the ribs to break down, resulting in melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Section 6, Sauce and Sizzle, the grand finale. All right, folks, we're in the home stretch. After the ribs have enjoyed their relaxing sauna session, remove them from the oven and crank up the heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully remove the foil. Watch out for that steam. Brush your favorite BBQ sauce all over those ribs, ensuring they're nicely coated. Now pop them back into the oven, uncovered, for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow the sauce to caramelize and create a sticky, finger-licking glaze. Section 7, Slicing, Serving, and Savoring the Moment. Drumroll please, it's time to feast. Remove the ribs from the oven and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum tenderness. Slice the ribs between the bones and serve them up with your favorite sides. Think creamy coleslaw, buttery cornbread, or crispy fries. Or go all out and make it a rib feast with all of the above.